Have you ever felt someone's energy still lingering around you, even after you've walked away, forgiven, or moved on? Maybe it's an ex, a friend, a family member, or a painful memory that keeps pulling you back into the past. This is your soul's way of saying it's time to cut the cords. Today, we release those invisible threads that drain your light and call your energy home, whole, pure, and free. Welcome, beautiful souls. In this sacred space, we release all energetic cords that no longer serve our highest good. Cord cutting isn't about separation. It's about freedom. It's about reclaiming the energy that was once given away through pain, trauma, and emotional entanglement. As you move through this session, know that you are safe, guided, and deeply loved. Poem activation. Unbinding the threads. I call back my light from every shadowed place, from every thought, touch, and lingering face. No longer bound by fear or pain, I rise in love, whole again. Threads of energy dissolve in gold. My essence restored, my power bold. With love, I bless all that departs. Freedom flows through open hearts. Invocation. Calling in the divine assistance. Beloved source of light, Archangel Michael, and my higher self. I call upon your radiant presence to assist in the sacred release of all energetic cords that no longer align with my divine purpose. May every cord attached through fear, dependency, or pain be gently and lovingly transmuted into pure light. May all souls connected return to their own divine wholeness. And may my energy now flow freely within my field. So it is. Guided meditation. The sacred cord cutting. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel a stream of golden light descending from above, surrounding your body in peace. Now, visualize before you the person, the situation, or emotion you wish to release. See the energetic cord connecting you, made of shimmering light. Notice its color, its texture, where it attaches. Gently call upon Archangel Michael to assist. Watch as he lifts his sword of truth and love, and with a graceful sweep, the cord is severed. As the light expands, both you and the other are enveloped in divine healing energy. Feel your aura clearing, your body relaxing, your heart softening. You are free, you are whole, you are sovereign once again. Take a deep breath in and exhale peace. Affirmations for freedom and wholeness. Repeat these after me. I reclaim all my energy, cleansed and purified by divine light. I release all attachments that no longer serve my soul's evolution. My energy field is whole, protected, and radiant. I forgive and bless all souls involved and move forward in love. I am free. I am sovereign. I am light. Words of wisdom. Beloved one, every time you release a cord, you create space for new life, love, and alignment to flow in. Cord cutting is not an act of rejection. It is an act of deep compassion and self-love. You are returning home to your own energy, your own essence, your divine wholeness. May your light continue to expand in peace, freedom, and truth.